At Christmas time, we love to drive around to different neighborhoods and look at light displays. Some houses decorate simply with red and white bulbs. Others down the street, they have these light displays that are huge and Christmas movies projected on their garage doors. But there's this one house up the street from us that completely goes all out. This couple rents a trailer to keep all their decor in during the year, and they slowly unpack the Christmas cheer for the whole neighborhood. Their house makes the rest of us look like amateurs. There is this huge Santa on the roof and a life-size gingerbread house on the lawn and lit candy canes and gumdrops. My kids always beg me to drive by it on the way home. I look at my measly string of multicolored lights and feel like I need to up my game a little bit. But there's no competition. There's no award ceremony for the best lit house. So why do I feel the need to keep up? The embarrassing truth is because inwardly, sometimes I'm insecure. Paul writes in Philippians that we're not to just think about our desires and act out of our selfish motives, but we're to humbly consider others, to fix our minds on them more than ourselves. As I fix my mind on celebrating others this season, I find freedom from comparison. Naming that insecurity and letting go of it helps me focus on what I've been given instead of what I'm lacking. In Christ, I have His comfort and companionship, His peace and joy, His love and redemption. I am complete in Him, so I don't need others' approval for things that don't really matter. Let yourself receive God's acceptance and joy this season. Let go of that comparison and insecurity and find gladness as you celebrate others.